This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, follow all precautions, and all of those above 45 who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected and follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now, the news in detail. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has instructed the Health Department to ramp up the COVID care infrastructure for children in the state. He told to set up pediatric ICUs in all the medical colleges and hospitals and district hospitals of the state. Chairing a review meeting at Guwahati, the Chief Minister said that as part of the state government's efforts to strengthen the COVID infrastructure for children, the government will set up 30 pediatric ICUs in Guwahati Medical College and Hospital and 20 each in Assam Medical College Hospital and Silchar Medical College Hospitals. Moreover, all other medical college and hospitals will get 15 pediatric ICUs each. The Meghalaya Government yesterday held a review meeting to discuss the coverage of the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Talking to reporters, Health Minister A.L. Hek said that the government will discuss the need to come out with a special scheme to bear the expenditure of COVID patients and those who died of the disease. An official looking after MHIS informed that in private hospitals there were 866 of COVID-19 treatments and 4,099 cases of COVID-19 tests. Meghalaya reported 957 new COVID-19 positive cases and 19 new deaths yesterday. Meanwhile, 755 persons have recovered, and most of them from East Khasi Hills, which now has 259 active cases. The total number of active cases in the state is 7,971. In Manipur, 824 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases. On the other hand, 15 people expired due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, increasing the total fatality to 720. Meanwhile, 468 COVID-19 patients were discharged during the period, taking the total number of recovered cases to 37,946 and the total positive cases to 45,451. The active cases stand at 6,785 and the total number of COVID-19 vaccinated persons as on date is 3,52,651. Nagaland registered 276 fresh COVID-19 cases, while 18 more fatalities have taken COVID-19 death toll in the state to 303. A year ago, since the detection of the first 3 COVID cases from among the returnees on 25th May 2020, the total confirmed cases in the state has now risen to 20,535. On the other hand, 161 more positive patients have recovered, adding the recovery number to 14,798. Presently, there are 4,806 active cases. Meanwhile, the state has administered a total of 2,65,952 doses of COVID-19 vaccine to the beneficiaries so far. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad yesterday visited Ganesh Hospital and Reid Provincial Chest Hospital in Shillong to see the installation of oxygen plants in these hospitals funded by the PM CARES Fund. The oxygen plant at Ganesh Hospital has a capacity of 400 litres per minute and can support a minimum of 40 beds with high-flow oxygen. The plant at RP Chest Hospital has a capacity of 300 litres per minute and can support a minimum of 30 beds. The plant at the RP Chest Hospital will be made operational in 2 days' time, and the plant at Ganesh Hospital is already operational. The Assam government has extended night curfew to 5th of June to contain the COVID situation. An order issued by the Chief Secretary yesterday said that there shall be ban on movement of individuals from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. Government and private offices shall shut down at 1 p.m. All shops and commercial establishments in rural areas shall shut down at 1 p.m. and urban areas at 11 a.m. Assam registered 5,767 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, including 624 cases in Kamrup Metro, besides 92 new deaths. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio. Shillong. Have a nice day.